That's the first one.
That should be plenty deep.
Okay, make sure they know. Tim!
Alright, ready?
Don't go together.
Don't want to lose them both at the same time.
Pretty far.
Morgan, I'm trying to film, honey. Don't rock the boat.
Now look, when I go down, Noah, like this. Okay? Hold your nose. Hold your nose. And put your arm
What happened to just keep moving?
It's become an analytical
Yeah.
talk it through.
Yeah, really, what happened to keep
Get a lot of water.
Filming here.
And you want to keep your feet together so you don't get like pressure of the water. Make your legs do this. So you
We're going to turn. And we're going to have to move to the other side of the boat by the time they...
It's clear. It's a long ways down.
I got him.
Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Plenty deep. Hold your nose. Put your feet together.
Whatever happened to holding us?
Piece of cake. You can do it, buddy. Once you go, it's a piece of cake. I know it's scary for like 1 second. You can do it. Stand up there, open your nose and go. Just do it. Right here. Do it.
I am going to do it. I'm just...
Stand up there and hold your nose. Go. Just do it. Keep your feet together.
Oh, that's
Make it like a knife. You can do it. Stand up.
Oh.
Stand up. Stand up. Hold your nose. Hold your nose and go. Hold your nose and go. Put your feet together. Hold your nose. Put your feet together after you jump. Go. Do it.
Jump. Woo!
Woo!
Too
You did it.
I feel like jumping. I didn't hold my nose, but that
It's
didn't
a little higher than it looks from down here. Oh, yeah.
So,
Always is.
it's awesome!
It's a little higher.
Scary. One, two, three!
Yeah!
Awesome! I feel like jumping in the water. I said that was pretty
Go
cool.
ahead.
That's at least twice as high as our deck got to Georgia, Kathy.
Oh, I put my hands out. That kind of sound.
my ear.
Where'd you put your hand?
Are you good?
I got my hands. I don't know. I didn't
left-
jump.
left-
Dad
left
pushed
holding
me.
your
Oh, yeah.
I didn't push you. I pulled you, I guess.
I wasn't even up when they were counting. Awesome.
Do you want Reagan just
That's
to
all
swim
I
back,
gotta
Tim?
say.